Hi friends, how are you? Today we want to talk about food myths revealed. Think red wine's good for you, and coffee causes cancer? Get the truth about common food falsehoods. 1. Myth. Coffee causes cancer. While we're on the topic of breakfast, coffee is another wrongly maligned staple of the morning meal. In the late 1970s, researchers reported that caffeine caused the growth of cysts in breast tissue. Then, in 1981, a Harvard study found an increase in pancreatic cancer among coffee drinkers. Soon after, major studies examining the risk of other cancers among coffee drinkers came up empty. In some cases, just the opposite appeared to be true. A review of 17 studies, conducted from 1990 to 2003, found a 24% reduced risk of colon cancer among people who regularly sip coffee. 2. Myth. Eggs are bad for you. For years, nutrition experts cautioned that eggs were unhealthy. After all, those gifts from the henhouse are one of the richest sources of cholesterol in the human diet. Since cholesterol plugs up arteries, eggs must raise the risk of heart attacks and strokes, right? Wrong. Large studies suggest that this theory is full of feathers. The famous Framingham Heart Study, which first showed that high blood cholesterol causes heart attacks, found no connection between eating eggs and cardiovascular disease. It turns out that only about 25% of the cholesterol in your blood comes from food. The other 75% is manufactured by the liver, which produces lots of cholesterol when you eat cheeseburgers, donuts, and other sources of saturated fat, something eggs are low in. Eggs are also filled with plenty of useful nutrients that may offset any damage done by their cholesterol content, including unsaturated fat, folate and other B vitamins, and minerals. And if you shop around, you can find eggs that contain healthful omega-3 fatty acids. 3. Myth. Red wine is the way to a healthy heart. It's the alcohol in red wine and white wine and beer that's responsible for most heart-related benefits. Large population studies suggest that most people enjoy at least some health benefits from sipping any form of alcohol in moderation. Alcohol raises HDL, good cholesterol, and seems to make blood less likely to clot. If you enjoy alcoholic beverages, most health authorities agree that having no more than a drink or two per day, one for women, two for men, may offer some benefits and probably can't hurt. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and give us a big like.